In this video, we're going to be installing Ubuntu onto an Oracle VM VirtualBox. So to do that, the first thing we need to do is we need to install the Oracle VirtualBox Manager. And so here we're going to search for Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. Make sure you select the actual download from oracle.com, and here it is. So let's go ahead and do that. Now in the downloads, you can see that there are a lot of platforms supported, including Windows, Mac OS, Solaris, etc., on top of Ubuntu and various Linux platforms themselves to run the VirtualBox Manager. So you're going to download the VirtualBox Manager. I'm going to be downloading the Windows installer, 64-bit. I'm going to save as, and we're going to save as here in Oracle VirtualBox Manager. And here it is. So we went ahead and downloaded the program. I've already installed it, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. And here we are. Once you've installed it and you're running the Oracle VirtualBox Manager, what we're going to do, I've already installed a version of Ubuntu, but I'm going to do it again. Select New. Let's call this Ubuntu 2. We're going to select Linux, Ubuntu 64-bit. You can see there's a lot of selections here, but we're going to stick with Ubuntu 64-bit. We're going to set the memory size to 4 gigabytes. Now you can set it to what you want, but this is kind of a minimum configuration. We're going to create a virtual hard disk now. We're going to leave it as a virtual disk image. Leave it at dynamically allocated. We're going to set this to 10 gigabytes for the virtual hard disk. And there you go. We have Ubuntu 2, and we're going to go ahead and do a start. We're going to select this select box here, and we're going to navigate to our Ubuntu ISO file, and we're going to go ahead and use that as the boot media. So it's installing Ubuntu into your VirtualBox. We're going to install it. Use the defaults. Normal installation. Select the leave it selected. Download updates while installing Ubuntu. Might as well go ahead and install third-party software. Install now. And this is in your virtual machine, so it's safe to keep this erased disk, install Ubuntu. Select where you are. LA is fine. Name. Select a password. I'm going to select Login automatically. So while it's installing the VirtualBox Manager, I forgot to show you earlier how to download the Ubuntu ISO image. And as it's in the book here, oops, go to the Ubuntu download page, and you're going to be downloading the Ubuntu desktop, and go ahead and download the most recent version of Ubuntu that you're going to be seeing here. Now it'll take 12 or 15 minutes, but eventually you will see this installation is complete message, and you need to restart the computer, which in this case you're actually restarting your virtual machine. So let's go ahead and restart now. And what we have here is Ubuntu running on your VirtualBox. Let's go ahead and dismiss these warnings. And here we are. You're running Ubuntu 2 in your Oracle VM VirtualBox. Let's go ahead and turn off the system. And again, you're turning off your VirtualBox. And there, you're back to the VirtualBox Manager. I could start either one of these, but let's go ahead and restart the one we just installed and go ahead and start. And here we are back at our Ubuntu 2 desktop running in our Oracle VM VirtualBox. Let's review the steps we took to install Ubuntu into a VirtualBox. First step was we searched for Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. From the results of that search, the second step was we selected the Oracle VM VirtualBox selection, making sure that it is at the actual www.oracle.com website. So you go ahead and download the VirtualBox installer for the OS that you're running. I show the Windows version here, for example. Step 4, you install the VirtualBox on your system. Step 5, you run the VirtualBox. And the sub-steps for Step 5, A, click on New to create a new virtual machine. B, give your virtual machine a name. C, select type Linux. D, select version Ubuntu 64-bit. Click on Next. Set the memory size to 4096 megabytes or 4 gigabytes. Click on Next. Select Create a virtual hard disk now, then click on Create. Select VDI, Virtual Disk Image, click on Next. Select Dynamically Allocated, click on Next. Set the virtual disk size to 10 gigabytes, click on Create. Now 10 gigabytes is just a suggestion. You can set it to whatever size you'd like. After your new virtual machine is created, Step 6, you click on that new virtual machine in the left panel of the Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Step 7, you click the Start button. Select your Ubuntu ISO file downloaded from the Ubuntu download website, which boots from the Ubuntu ISO file. Step 8, select Install Ubuntu when prompted, accepting the defaults, making sure to check Install third-party software. Step 9, click on Install Now. Step 10, set your location, Set your name and password, then click on Continue. Step 11. Ubuntu then installs into your Oracle virtual machine. So enjoy running Ubuntu in a Oracle VirtualBox under the OS of your choice. I'm James Millington, your CISC 326 instructor. Thanks for watching.